What's going on, guys? It's Nora, the Stock Explorer, guys. We're looking at the stock heat map and we're going to talk about Tesla, guys. What an amazing bounce for Tesla today, up 4.63%, guys, on the day. Let's click on this. This is the stock heat map. As you see, a lot of stocks were in the green today, guys. Fantastic. Guys, check it out. It's sitting at 801.89 right now, up 4.63%. That is amazing. Last night, if you were to look at the NASDAQ 100 or the SPY, you would probably say it is setting up for a red day. However, Tesla proved everyone wrong by rallying today, guys. Let's take a look and see what's going on, guys. Look at that. Sitting above the $800 mark. Fantastic. That's what we like to see. Guys, at one point it was bouncing around in the 700s and it looked like it was going to break down into the 600s and keep dropping, as it breaks through each resistance and support, guys. Um, you just don't know how low it could go, but what a nice recovery today. Fantastic. Let's look at some news, guys. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. Okay. Tesla Incorporated stock rises Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, March 15th, 2022. Okay, and outperforms the market. Fantastic, guys. Check it out. Other stocks also outperformed. Look at this. Comp up 2.92, DJIA up 1.82, TM up 3%, GM up 3%, nice, HMC up 1.88%. All right, shares of Tesla rally 4.63 to 801.89 Tuesday on what proved to be an all-around great trading session for the stock market, with the NASDAQ Composite Index up 2.92, guys. That is what this is right here. Okay, the stocks rise snapped. Sorry about that. The stocks rise. The stock rise snapped the 3-day losing streak, guys. It was going down, 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 right? Tesla closed 441.60 short of its 52-week high, which was $1,243.49. So it's a 52-week high is about $1,200, guys, which the company reached on November 4th. And if you remember back in November, a lot of stocks were doing fantastic. A lot of us kind of wish we could roll back the clock and sell a lot of our stocks back last November, because since last November, guys, it has been kind of going down, down, down that slippery slope, right? So, yeah, so what is going on with Tesla? Well, it is good to see that big money is flowing into Tesla. As you know, retail traders, we don't really move the Tesla stock. Big money moves Tesla stock, guys. What I'd like to say is there's a lot of catalysts coming up for Tesla. One would be the opening of the Austin Gigafactory facility, which will be an amazing catalyst. And another one would be the deliveries over in Berlin. As you know, everything is approved, ready to rock and roll over there in Berlin. I'm sorry. So a lot of great stuff happening, guys. But what is really kind of crazy is what is going on the Twitter tweeter, guys. And don't forget, I'm on Twitter, Philly_Orlando. If you'd like to connect with me on Twitter, this is my page here on the Twitter tweeter. Okay, guys, but what we want to do is we want to search for Elon Musk, because we want to see what he is saying on here, guys. As you know, a lot of his tweets do move crypto, especially Dogecoin, which I'm a big fan of, but it's just kind of interesting to see where his mindset is. And honestly, lately, it's been it's been pretty wild. Uh, I'll bring it back to yesterday. Let's see if we can find it. There it is. Okay, so on March 14th, right here, this tweet right here. And I loved it because I love Elon Musk. But it says, I hereby challenge, and this is saying Vladimir Putin in Russian to single combat. Okay? And if you look up single combat, that's basically man versus man or person versus person, okay? Two-person fight. Okay, stakes are, and he spelled the Ukraine in the Ukrainian language here. Okay, now there have been some replies and of course a ton of attention. People asking him, what do you mean by this? And are you serious, right? So yeah, so that happened, and then of course a lot of other sort of humorous and continuations of this tweet. It's sort of like a to be continued. Then he tweeted again 19 hours ago. Choose your fighter. It has Vladimir Putin riding a bear, of course, the symbol for Russia, and here is Elon Musk shooting a flamethrower. And it says, okay, you can have 10% more pay-per-view money. I see you're a tough negotiator, guys. So this is just kind of going on and on and on. Then there was a Telegram post by Ramzan Kadyrov. He is the head of the Chechen Republic, giving his advice here. If you zoom in on this, it has all these sort of fighting, you know, training descriptions and etc. If you want to go on Twitter and read about it. um, so they're just kind of, going back and forth now. Elon replied to it, thank you for the offer, but such excellent training would give me too much of an advantage. If he's afraid to fight, I will agree to use my left hand, and I'm not even left-handed. Ilona. Okay. So, guys, why is he doing that? I don't know, but does it get a ton of attention? Yes. It's marketing. It's brilliant, and how this will play out, I don't know, guys, but it is very, very interesting to say the least, guys. And of course, he's still doing all his great SpaceX things and everything else going on, right? Uh, so yeah, we will see how that all plays out, guys. Let's look on the Weeble Wobble. So there's a lot of catalysts coming up, as I said, for Tesla stock. I'm not going to come on here and do technical analysis, but I see that it's sitting at $801.89. The fact that it went up 4.63%, do I think tomorrow it will keep going? Honestly, no, I don't. I think it's going to see a sell-off. I really do. I think it's going to see a sell-off. Where I would get into Tesla, honestly, and not, like I said, I don't even have to break down the technical analysis. If you like that, there are plenty of channels on YouTube that will break down the technical analysis. What I would say is you want to get in it on a good price so that you can either swing trade it or hold it long term. I don't think $801.89 is the best price that you can get for Tesla right now. I think you're going to get plenty more great buying opportunities. What I would really love to see it is under 700, honestly. But if it gets close to 700, I would grab some up for a swing trade, meaning you will hold it for a week or longer and then cash it back out, because I think it will go back to 800 and then beyond again. But we have just so much volatility out there, and you know inflationary fears and different things going on, of course, in the world, uh, war-related things and everything. And yeah, I think you're going to get a chance to get Tesla at a better price than this. So I would just, I wouldn't bet against it, of course, but I would sit back and wait. If you can grab it up closer to that $700 mark, that would be a very nice swing trade for you as we wait for these catalysts to come out, guys. Thank you for joining me, guys. Don't forget to connect with me on Twitter, Philly_Orlando. Would love to have you add me. and I'll be happy to share your tweets out. And let me know what you're thinking, guys. Are you buying Tesla at 800 or are you waiting, guys? Thanks so much for joining me. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.